Merging your WATS. Selecting recipients. Open your WATS document and go to the toolbar heading Mailings. Here you will have the option to select recipients. You may either use an existing list or create a new one. When selecting an existing list, you'll be able to select the data source. Once you have done this, you will need to confirm it. Once you have confirmed the appropriate data source, you have the option to select the table you wish to use. In this example, Random Factors. Once you have selected the appropriate one, you'll be able to use the Insert Merge Field option. Inserting merge fields. Inserting the merge field allows the worksheet to use the data from the table in Excel. To do this, highlight and delete the data you wish to replace. In this example, I would change the height data. Once you have done this, click on to Insert Merge Field. You will see that the headings listed are those that are included within the random factor table. Select the field you wish to use. You will see that the deleted data now includes the random factor heading length. Repeat this process for each data value you wish to merge. Ensure that there is a space between the merge field and measurement. Previewing results. Once you have done this, click on to Preview Results. You will see the data change to now include the random factor values. At the top of the page, you will see this toolbar. This allows you to view each student worksheet with the random factors. You will see that each worksheet includes different data. This data correlates to the random factor table within Excel. To change the decimal place for the data, firstly hold Alt and F9 simultaneously on your keyboard to bring up the merge field title. Then type in the following. This will change the data to 2 decimal places. If you wish to use 3 decimal places, simply type an extra 0 before the closed speech bracket. Then hold Alt F9 again to view the data. You will not see the decimal place change until you move on to the next student worksheet. You will see now that for the height, 0.1, the data is shown to 2 decimal places. I will now show you how the data correlates to the random factor table within Excel. You can see that the data for the current drawn by heater is now 8. This data has been taken from student 9 and using random factor 2, as specified in the random factor table within Excel. Once the worksheets have been produced, you need to make them available to your students. If the students' names are not already in the random factor sheet, then you can download these from StudyNet and copy them into the random factor sheet. Otherwise, you can insert them yourself. It is vitally important that the order of the names are not changed. Hence, any students that come in late will need to be added to the bottom of the list in the random factor sheet. I will now begin to add names to my sheet. Once you have done this, you may go back into the WATS question sheet and click on to Finish and Merge, followed by Edit Individual Documents. If you have a large class, you will not want to merge all documents at once, but instead will want to select around 1 to 50. This will allow your students to find their sheet quicker and will also allow it to be quicker for you to upload onto StudyNet. If you have 200 students, for example, you can then repeat this stage by typing in 51 to 100, followed by 101 to 150, and so on. You can now see that each sheet has the correct name.